everybody, Jim here again with Totally Relaxed. Thought I'd show y'all what my phone looks like recording with my gimbal I bought a couple years ago. I've still not really gotten a hang of these things yet. That's probably another reason why I ended up taking the other one back. Sending the other one back to Amazon that I bought the other day for my GoPro 10. But hook or crook, I'm gonna get used to this thing if it hair lifts the governor. Anyway, I got that app I downloaded. I'm using right now. It's called, oh shoot, can't think of it right now, but I'll put it up there on the screen here directly. And it's supposed to have somewhat of a, I don't know, some kind of stabilization in it or not, but I don't really think I'm gonna need it because my gimbal is doing all that for me already. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the video I made earlier and uploaded about the pups. I thought I'd go ahead and make another video before they leave the property. I tell you, they were really wound up today. Rambunctious more than usual, and that's saying a lot, believe me. Sure gonna miss them, that boy and girl. They've been really a joy while they're here on the property. You know, in the beginning we had to kind of was wondering if it's gonna be touch and go if they were even gonna survive, but they did, and they're healthy as a horse now. So as you can tell when you watch the video. But anyway, I just want to jump in here and uh-oh. You hear them? They heard me come around the corner, heard me talking. They're in the shop. Anyway, I just want to jump in here and say hello to everybody, and hope everybody's having a great day, and hope everybody's healthy and all that good stuff. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Take care, have a good evening, and thanks for watching. Bye now.